Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Want to use your familiar PS4 controller to dominate the court in NBA 2K23 on PC? You absolutely can. This updated guide for 2025 will walk you through the simple steps. We will ensure you get that precise, comfortable control you are used to, making your PC gameplay truly feel authentic. Get ready to enjoy every dribble and shot with perfect accuracy and comfort, just like on your console. The simplest path involves Steam's built-in big picture mode. First, plug in your PS4 controller using a good quality USB cable, or connect it via Bluetooth if your PC supports it. Then, open Steam, navigate to big picture mode from the top right icon, and launch NBA 2K23 from within that interface. Steam will automatically detect and configure your controller, often displaying the correct PlayStation, prompts for a seamless experience. If Steam's method does not quite fit your needs, or if you prefer more customization, DS4 Windows is an excellent tool. Download and install DS4 Windows. It essentially makes your PC think your PS4 controller is an Xbox One, which is widely compatible with most PC games. Once installed, simply connect your controller, run DS4 Windows, and then launch NBA 2K23. This setup provides extensive remapping and profile creation options for a truly personalized experience. To ensure a smooth gaming session, keep these quick tips in mind. If you are experiencing issues, first double-check your cable connection or Bluetooth pairing. Sometimes, a simple restart of your PC or the game can resolve minor glitches. Also, make sure your operating system's controller drivers are up to date. Occasionally, other running programs can interfere, so try closing unnecessary applications before launching NBA 2K23 for optimal performance. There you have it. With your PS4 controller now perfectly set up, you are ready to hit the hardwood in NBA 2K23 on your PC. Remember to tweak the in-game controller settings to fine-tune your preference, adjusting sensitivity and button assignments until it feels just right. Enjoy the immersive gameplay and precise control. If you encountered any issues or have further questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. And do not forget to subscribe for more PC gaming tips.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.